tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Cupid Arrow Knockout. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, you're going to need a few household items. So you're going to grab a pair of socks, you're going to put them together and make a sock ball. Okay? I have a cone. Now this cone could just be replaced with maybe a shoe, something on the floor that's going to be a marker. And then I created this Cupid's arrow out of just a piece of paper and I drew it out. See the nice little pretty heart. And then a water bottle, slightly filled up just so it gives it enough to stay upright throughout the activity. Okay. So those are the only items you're going to need for today's lesson. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I'll get to the activity in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Now this is the setup I have is 3 different cones. I have a red cone, a white cone, and a green cone. And what I'm gonna have to do is, from those cones, get this sock ball, and I'm gonna have to try to knock down Cupid's arrows, okay? So for level 1, I currently have 3 arrows I need to knock down, and I need to knock them down in 1 minute. Now, if I, let's say, start over here at this white cone, and I'm gonna, again, use the motion for kicking using the inside of my foot. So I'm going to turn my foot, opposite foot facing forward. Let's say I'm aiming for this one across my body. I'm going to use the inside of my foot to strike the softball, and I'm going to try to knock down that arrow. If I'm not successful, I'm going to run and retrieve it. And then I must return to a different cone to try it again. So if I started over here at white, I now have to move over, let's say, to green or to red. You cannot go back to the same cone. So I'm going to start over here at the red cone. I'm going to try for the middle one. Again, missed. Try again. All right, so I'm gonna have 1 minute to try to knock down all of the 3 arrows. 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, you have to travel to another cone. Cannot repeat cones. Oh, that's 1. Oh, that's 2. Last one. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Again, make sure you're using the inside of your foot. Ah. Oh, come on. Oh, so close! 1 more! 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Alright, so Mr. Garcia was only able to get 2 of Cupid's arrows down. Alright, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now level 2, I have 5 of Cupid's arrows that I need to knock down. I go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I have to use the inside of my foot to sweep it and pass it and knock down my Cupid's arrows. I have my 3 cones. Again, you cannot repeat the same cone twice. You must move to a different cone. So I'm going to give level 2 a try in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, go. Hopefully I can get 2 for 1, we'll see. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Oh, just tapped it. 4, last one. And 5. Great job. With 10 seconds left to spare. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Cupid's Arrow Knockdown. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment down below what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you can modify it, what different skills could you use with the same activity. So drop a comment down below. Also, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE Spot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.